Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. B Lux Life. I am Sarita and it is bag breakdown time. Yes, we are on the road putting the bags in the case because are we making room for more to sit on the sofa? I don't know. But welcome everybody. I know y'all have seen my shorts by now. I'm terrified of suede. That's number one. Um, but I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. That's number two. And number three, I picked up an awesome sale at Dillard's. So, if you guys are looking for anything, go in the store if you're able to. It is cheaper in store. I've gotten two things since this Prime Day sale situation didn't happen because Prime is on their tails. And baby, I picked up two items. I will do a video on those. And I'm overly excited about it because the prices were right. Okay, the prices were right. But we're not here for that. Okay. But watch my TikTok and y'all will probably already see the preview of what's coming. Okay. And y'all, okay, another thing. Y'all know I got the black Tabby 36. Love it. I was called this morning that I could possibly order the amber brown. I don't know what to do. But let's open this. Y'all already see what it is. The Kisslock 27. And the raffia is on sale. I do not need it since I picked up the straw bag. Because that's coming up. I'm telling y'all. The straw Brooklyn 34 and maple. Perfection. I'm excited about that. I'm so happy to have that one. But y'all, let's see that on another video. But the straw Kisslock is on sale. And I'm like, but I don't need it. I keep telling myself, you do not need that. You do not need that. But look at this beauty. Yes. Let's take her apart. Y'all, this is just perfect size for me. Perfect size. Let me put all this. Got my little bags to put all my trash in. Now, this one still has the old dust bag. What is that? Should I pull that? Let me see. That's the strap, I know, but I have to try to, okay, pull the little plastic. This is the strap, as you can see. You know it's non-adjustable, but it's the shoulder strap to go on. I have a bag I'm throwing it in, y'all. I'm not just throwing it on the floor. It look like I'm just tossing stuff, but I'm throwing it in a bag that I have on the floor. This is so pretty. The slouch on here is going to give, okay? Oh, goodness, baby. They have it packed, and we love that. We're not complaining, ever. Well, I'm not complaining, ever. But do y'all have, who has a Kisslock in their life? A 27. A Kisslock 27. I'm trying to take all this apart. Oh, it's just so, it's so classy and dainty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what is that in the inside of here? I don't know. Girl, what is that? Do y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. What is that? That gray stuff. Wait a minute. What is that? Okay, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. Cause what is that? Y'all see that? Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna have to call Coach to figure out what is going on with this bag because no. What is that? That's nasty. Okay. All right. Well, I will. Oh my God. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what that is. Like, look, can y'all see that? Like, what is that? let me figure out what's going on. I'm gonna go wash my hands because I didn't touched it. But yeah, what's going on? I don't know. But purchase this one from Dillard's. I don't know what's going on. But thank y'all for watching. To be continued. And what the hell? Okay, well, I will talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all know what this is, tell me down below. But yeah, I'm about to go. I gotta wait till the store is open. But yeah, that's a no. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing and always showing me love. And I will see y'all on the next one.